Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, identify the outputs on your Android TV box and inputs on your old TV. Most boxes have an HDMI output. Older TVs typically have RCA composite jacks. Look for 3 RCA plugs colored yellow, red, and white for video and stereo audio. If the TV only has a coaxial RF input, you will need an RF modulator to convert signals. Buy an HDMI to RCA converter for composite connections or an RF modulator, as needed, and prepare the correct cables. Power off both the Android TV box and the old television before making connections. Connect the HDMI output to an HDMI to RCA converter using a standard HDMI cable. Plug the yellow video plug into the TV video input and red and white into audio inputs on the television. If using an RF modulator, attach its RCA inputs, then connect the modulator to the TV coaxial input. Turn on both devices. Select the correct TV input and adjust box display settings if needed. If you see no picture, verify the converter or cable has power and indicator lights are on. Set the Android box resolution to 480p or 576p for better compatibility with composite inputs. Use the TV channel for RF modulator output, usually channel 3 or 4, and tune accordingly on the television. If audio is missing, check volume, red and white cable seating, and box audio output settings to confirm stereo sound. Consider upgrading to a cheap HDMI-capable TV.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.